Good morning everyone. So in the previous class I have taught you about deforestation. So what is deforestation? It means it is the result of the removal of trees without sufficient reforestation. Okay. Now we are going to study about the causes of deforestation. So why deforestation occurs? There are various causes of deforestation and we people are because of we people mainly. So first one is our agricultural extension, second point is our infrastructure expansion, third is our overpopulation, fourth is our pest attacks, and fifth is our natural forces. Okay, so these are the five major points which are due to this the deforestation occurs. So there is no single factor that is responsible for deforestation, rather it's a combination of forces that are causing it. So our first point is agricultural extension. So what do you mean by agricultural extension? So conversion of forest into agricultural plantation is a major cause of deforestation. The increase in global demand for commodities such as palm oil and soybean oil is driving industrial scale producer to clear forest at an alarming rate. Okay. So people are using the palm oil and soybean oil due to that industrial various industries are formed and they are using it. So due to this agricultural exchange, due to this the deforestation also occurs. Next point is our infrastructure expansion. Mainly what happened? Road construction can lead to deforestation by providing an easy way to previously remote land. Now we can see that we are mainly prefer the 6-lane road, the 4-lanes road. Due to that the forests are cutting out. So to make our road mainly for our comfortness, for our development, for our saving time, for if the road is good, if the road is wide, then we can then also we can save our times or save our times. So mainly we are now constructing roads, okay, for our easy way, for our easy movement. That is why we are constructing the roads. So this is called as also infrastructure expansion. So due to this we are cutting the trees. We can see that only for making roads a number of trees are cutting down. These are the reasons. These are the causes of deforestation, and in the same way we are not plant any trees. Okay, so plantation is very needed. So reforestation is need. Third point is our overpopulation. With overpopulation, there is an increase in global needs and wants leading to expansion and deforestation. Growth of population increase the demand of wood, timber and other forest products. So as we know that China is our population. If we are making a rank that whose population is higher, then we are coming into the second countries that are where we are that our population is very high. And in the same way, due to the increase of population, we are also need land, we are also need food, timber and other forest products also. So for that we are cutting the trees, we are cutting the forest, we are using it. So these are also main points, because as we know that the growth of population is increasing, in the same way our demand of food is also increasing, and also our demand of land is also increasing, and in the same way we are using the in the day-to-day life we are using the forest products. So we are also in the same way also, as the population is increasing, these demands are also increasing. Next is our pest attacks. Okay, so forest pests like insects destroy trees by eating up leaves and getting into shoots and spreading diseases. So various types of insects, they are eating trees. They eat a whole leaf of a tree. So if they eat the leaves of the trees, then it also destroy. So insects are also mainly destroy the trees. Now we have heard about the Pangapal attack. That means they are destroying the trees only because they are eating all the leaves of trees. Okay, these are the insects. They are also this is also one of the major cause of deforestation. Okay, next is our natural forces: clouds, storm, snow, lightning, forest fires, etc. These are the natural forces which can damage forest. So mainly due to the flood or due to the forest fires, due to the snow storm, okay, the clouds, they are also due to this natural forces also deforestation occurs. And also grazing animals, overgrazing by livestock leads to loss of prosperity of soils and desertification of previously fertile forest areas, because now people they are directly leave their animals to go into the forest, and they are doing the grazing over there, but due to the overgrazing we are facing this kind of problems. And due to the flood also soil erosion is also occurred, and these are also the main reason of causing deforestation. So all of you understood that these are the various causes of deforestation. First is our agricultural extension, second is our infrastructure expansion, third is our overpopulation, fourth is our pest attacks, fifth is our natural resources, and also for grazing animals. Okay, so next part is our effects of deforestation. Okay, first of all we need to know that what is deforestation. I have told you that what is deforestation. Then we are going to directly study about, then we have studied about the causes of deforestation. Now also we are going to study about the effects of deforestation. So what are the effects of deforestation? So forests closely related to climate change, biological diversity, wild animals, crop, medicinal plants, etc. So any change in the forest will definitely affect the system related to it. So there are huge consequences like habitat destruction of wild animals, increased soil erosion due to reduction of vegetation cover, that is our decrease in availability of forest products, loss of biodiversity, rise in carbon dioxide level, lowering of water level under the ground. So these are the main effects of deforestation, because due to the deforestation we can also the availability of forest products that we are using is also decreased, and also we are facing the soil erosion because the roots of the plants, the roots of the trees are the main roots of the trees are meant to hold the trees, hold the soil mass. Okay, so the roots are also holding the soil mass. If we are cutting the trees and we don't do any kind of a reforestation, then also soil erode due because water is flowing due to the rainwater also. So these are also flowing. Okay, so the soil in the same way the soil erode. Then is our wild animals. If we are cutting trees, if we don't have any forest in future, then how the wild animals will survive in this world? So due to that also, due to deforestation also, the habitat destruction of wild animals is also occurred. So we are getting the carbon dioxide, we are getting the oxygen directly from the trees. But if we are cutting the trees, then then the rise of carbon dioxide, so the carbon dioxide level is also rising, and we people are facing a lot of problems because we are inhale the oxygen and exhale the carbon dioxide. So we need to, if we need to survive, if we need to live in this earth, then we need to inhale the oxygen, and the oxygen we are getting from the trees only. Okay, so if we are cutting the if we are cutting the trees, then our carbon dioxide level is also increase. Okay.